Yeah, you see, here in Hartford, 41% of Black people are fully vaccinated, while 43% of Hispanics are fully vaccinated. Now, while those numbers are low, we'll hear from community health leaders working to change those disparities by addressing concerns in the BIPOC community and some of those that they may have.
A common concern is that there are different shots for people of color.
The vaccines that we currently have available, Pfizer, Moderna, Johnson & Johnson, regardless where you get it, who you get it from, they are the same vaccines at all locations.
You see across the board, Dr. Jessica Abrantes Figueredo, chief of infectious disease at St. Francis Hospital, says there's still worry of microchips and magnets.
No microchips in the vaccine, that's a definite. We have all of the ingredients. It's, very small amount of ingredients, really just the messenger RNA, for example, in the Pfizer and the Moderna, a little bit of a fat molecule, but no magnets or anything else like that in the vaccines.
Fernando Valenzuela says all of these concerns are valid and have a rooted history in the BIPOC community.
The pervasive mistreatment that we've seen historically of the Black and brown communities, that's definitely added to the mistrust when it comes to getting the vaccine.
He's a community health worker with the Hispanic Health Council COVID-19 initiative to promote COVID education within communities of color. He says language barriers, vaccine hesitancy, and overall mistrust are holding people of color vaccine numbers back.
So we have to be able to understand where that's coming from and to talk to them to kind of gain trust back in this system.
Dion Cody with the Hispanic Health Council says that starts with addressing concerns head on.
Well, I feel like there are lots of barriers and things going around that that health professionals sometimes overlook, and the messaging has to be targeted to those populations.
Dr. Jessica Abrantes Figueredo answered more of those theories and questions for us, and you can find those answers online underneath this story. Live in studio for CT Cultured, I'm Raquel Harrington.